The vestibular system, brought to you by Jessica, Jen, and Amelia. Enjoy!
Hey, Frog, what are you doing?
I'm learning the vestibular system.
The vestibular system? What's that?
Let me teach you.
The vestibular system consists of the semicircular canals, the utricle, and the saccule. The semicircular canals are our body's balance organ.
But why do we need those?
Well, Toad, we need the semicircular canals to maintain balance and detect acceleration. We need these for day-to-day activities such as walking, biking, or even sitting. The semicircular canals are filled with a fluid called endolymph, and they are lined with tiny hair cells that can detect fluid's movement. A large role of the semicircular canal system is to keep your eyes still in place while your head moves around them. If you nod and shake your head,
Like this?
yes, Toad, you will find that you have no trouble staying focused on this page. But hold a piece of paper in front of you and shake it around.
Like this?
Yes, Toad. You should notice that your eyes will not be able to keep up with quick movements. The reason is that the semicircular canals exert direct control over your eyes so they can directly compensate for head movements. Now we are going to talk about the utricle and saccule.
What are those?
Well, Toad, the utricle, which lays horizontally, and the saccule, which is oriented vertically, detect linear acceleration and the pull of gravity. Each organ has a sheet of hair cells whose cilia are embedded in a gelatinous mass with a clump of small crystals called otoliths.
What's up with the semicircular canals?
Well, Toad, there's 3 of them. The first one is horizontal, and when you begin to turn in a circle, the endolymph moves the hair cells in the opposite direction that you're spinning. If you continue to spin, the endolymph will lose inertia and start moving in the direction of rotation. When you stop, you feel as if you're turning in the opposite direction because the fluid is still moving and you are not. The anterior canal detects left and right movements. When you walk down the road, it does this in the same way as the horizontal canal detects rotation, just with different orientation. The posterior canal detects back and forth movement.
This comes into play when you're a passenger in a car and it stops unexpectedly.
Or your brother could knock you down.
So, Toad, did you learn anything?
Yes! The vestibular system consists of the semicircular canals, the saccule, and the utricle. They work together to help us detect movement and maintain balance. They are essential to our day-to-day life.